Welcome to Event Log within Salesforce. In this video, we'll dive deep into the event log files. Let's set the stage by highlighting our key learning objectives for this session. View and query with event log files. Also learn about multiple event log file type. First log into your org. Then navigate to the ELF browser application by clicking the link. The link is provided in the description box. Then click Production Login. After that, set the start date. Finally, select an event type for your search, or leave Event Type Set to All, and click Apply. At first, click Settings icon. Then click Developer Console. Click File and Open. Under Entity Types, select Objects. In the filter the repository field, type EventLogFile. After that, select EventLogFile under Entities. Then click Open. Next, select the fields for your query and click the Query button. Finally, click the Execute button to complete the query. You can use the Query Editor in the Developer Console to execute a Salesforce Object Query Language (SOQL) query. The History pane displays your last 10 queries for quick reuse. Results are displayed in a query results grid. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.